Alright guys, I just want to do a quick shout out today, and I'm sending out a gift to this great subscriber I got, Wayne Scyphers. I think that's how you pronounce his name. I'm not exactly sure. But I was chatting with him in the comments section, and I asked him yesterday, I think it was, I said, did I ever send you out anything? And he said no, and I said, okay, I'm going to send you out this Bugs 2 here. You know, I've sent so many quadcopters out this year, at least 50, okay? Didn't make videos on all the stuff I sent out. Some stuff I sent out, I didn't even make videos, I just sent it, okay? But I couldn't even remember if I had sent him anything or not. So I said, did I send you? He said, no. And he said, blah, blah, blah. And I said, the Bugs 2, you know. So Wayne's a great guy. He watches every video. He leaves a comment. So I'm going to send him this Bugs 2, which is in pristine condition. And I'm also going to send him the foldable props. Okay, these are kind of just like a gimmick. Okay, I didn't see much difference in these things from the other one. The little decibel thing I had on there, it said that they were louder than the stock props, but to be honest with you, they sounded like they were quieter. Okay, by my ears, these sounded quieter than the stock props, but the decibel thing said it was louder. So I mean, I don't know, it's just one of those phone decibel apps, so I don't even know if the damn thing's accurate or not. The Bugs 2, this is going to be great for Wayne to be able to go out in the cold and fly, so he doesn't have to take the Anafi or anything out there. I really worry about the Anafi as much as I love that thing in the winter, because the motors are very small and they're very exposed. And I would be kind of worried if it got into some humidity or, or into like ice, because it gets kind of frosty when you get up there when it's real cold. Because I flew this thing last year over at that Pioneer Park. It was 18 degrees. That was the coldest flight I ever did, was with this thing last year. It was 18 degrees. And when this thing landed, there was ice on the props. Okay, so, but it flew great. You know, the two downsides of the Bugs 2 are the battery. Getting the battery in and out is a major pain in the ass, getting this battery out. Okay, getting it in, it's not so bad. Pulling this thing out of here is a royal pain in the ass. And the camera, you know, the camera's not that great. Well, I can't even say not that great. It sucks. Okay, the camera sucks on this thing. Just like all these MJX squads, the cameras blow. Here's the transmitter. I think there's 10 flights on this thing. I think I did 10 flights. And it only has this one little scuff on it right there. But that's from probably sitting in my drone bag or something. It never was wrecked. I never wrecked it, so it's in magnificent condition, just like brand new. So you can take this out in the winter and fart around with this instead of risking your Solo or your Anafi. So I'm going to put a link for Wayne's YouTube channel in the description below, and you really should go back and watch some of his early videos. He really made some nice 3DR Solo videos. I went back and watched a whole bunch of them a few months ago, and they were very impressive. So you guys should go back and check him out and check out his previous videos. Now, I don't need the Bugs 2 anymore, to be honest with you, and I gave my Bugs 3 away too, because I have the Bugs 5, you know. And I even said in my review, sorry guys, I even said in my review, the Bugs 5 is just a better Bugs 2. Okay, it's even though the props are a little shorter, it's got the little stubby props, and this has the, you know, more like the Phantom size props. it flies identically to this. You can't tell. If you was to fly this blindfolded or whatever, however you could do it to where you wouldn't know what you were flying, you'd never know the difference. Okay, you would never know you were flying a different quadcopter. This thing and the Bugs 5 fly identically. The only thing about this one, the Bugs 5 has a little bit better of a camera, and I mean a little bit better. I'm not talking a lot better. I mean a little bit better, okay? And it has, I believe it has a little bit more range. But other than that, it's exactly the same. It flies identically. So basically I'll give the Bugs 2 to Wayne, but I'll still have it with the Bugs 5. It's the same quadcopter, basically. And you can fart around with these little props. They're, like I said, I think they're kind of a gimmick. There's one of the, it comes with 4 of these caps, and they're kind of marked for you. The one with the black ring goes on the same one right there. You can see that has with the little dimple in it. So, well, like I said, they fly identically, so you'll be happy with this. This thing actually is one of my favorite birds. It flies great. It's just that the camera is not that good, you know. But for winter, who cares? You can go out and just take it to the park and knee deep in snow and let her rip. All right. Thanks, Wayne, for always being there, brother. I'll talk to you later.